Hi, and welcome to session 12 of the Quantum GIS walkthrough series. In this session, I'll be showing you how to create maps using the print composer. The final product from our print composition will look something like this. Before we start with the print composer, we need to get all the data ready. I'll be using the project file from a previous screencast session on vector symbology and labeling. I've adjusted some of the symbology styles and added them to the style manager. For my project, I'd like to create an overview map of the area of Stellenbosch. This is not necessary for all maps, but you can follow along if you would like to know the process. The overview map will require simpler symbology and the labels will not be necessary, so let's adjust our data. The overview map will also have a scale bar. If you use a scale bar, it's best to be in a projection that can handle measurement units like meters. Let's check in our project properties. We are in UTM. Zoom to the extents that you want your overview map to cover. Now our overview map is ready to be added to the print composer. Let's create a new print composer. Select New Print Composer on the toolbar. We'll be using a portrait page layout. Under the General tab, choose Portrait. To add a new map item, click this icon over here. Then click and drag an area on your page. This will grab the current display from our map view. I'd like a box outline in the overview map of the area where my next map will be. I can do this using the rectangle shape, but I'll try something more geographically correct. So I'll create a new shapefile. And then zoom to the area that my new map will cover. And then digitize in the extents. Adjust the symbology to your liking. Click zoom to last extents. Return to your print composer. Click the item tab for your map and set preview to render. Let's try updating that again. Now let's add legend for the land cover. Click the Add New Vector Legend icon and click on the page. We won't be using our rivers, roads or cadastrals, so I can remove this using the minus icon. I'll move my outline to below my land cover, and I'll need to adjust my land cover classes so that they'll fit on the page. I select my record and I click the edit icon. I could also edit this through the layers panel. Next, let's add the scale bar. Click the Add New Scale Bar icon, then click on your map. For my scale bar, I'll be using a numeric or text scale. And under General Options, I'll remove Show Frame. All items have the option to show a frame or not. Now I'll go back to my map view to get my second map.